Hey, stop! If your child reads CAT cat but still can't read cat, this reel is for you. Phonics is not memorizing words, it's understanding sounds like C says K, A says A, T says T. Blend the sound together like K-A-T and you get cat. Once children learn blending, they can read any word confidently. Strong phonics today equal to confident readers tomorrow. Follow for more easy phonic tips. Before that, follow Brilliant Roots.